In this video, I will provide an overview of the different methods available to import users into Proofpoint Essentials. Let's get started. When your Proofpoint Essentials account is first created, it will contain a single administrator user account. Therefore, you will need to add users to the account so that those mailboxes are protected. It is important that you add users to your account before you update your domain's MX records to direct email traffic to Proofpoint Essentials. Otherwise, emails sent to those mailboxes will be rejected. There are several different ways of adding users to your account. First, you can manually add a user to your Proofpoint Essentials account. This may be an appropriate method to use if you have a small number of users to manage. To manually add a user, click on User Management in the primary navigation menu, followed by Users. Now click Add a User. Enter the user's first name and last name, followed by their email address. If you have more than one domain associated to your account, you may need to select the domain to use by selecting it from the domain dropdown. You can optionally add a mobile number for the user. This will allow the user to use SMS to reset their password. Click the Role dropdown to select the role you want the user to have. Now click Save. The user account has now been created. You can create a new user account by clicking on Users in the primary navigation menu and repeating the previous steps. Next is the CSV import. This method will allow you to import a list of users all at once. To access CSV import, click on User Management in the primary navigation menu, followed by Import and Sync, and finally CSV import. Click CSV file format instructions in order to view the format of the CSV you need to generate. Once your CSV file is ready, click the default New User role dropdown, and then select the role you want to assign to each user. Remember, you can change the role of a user at any time. Click Choose File and locate the local CSV file you created. Now click Upload. Proofpoint Essentials will now create user accounts for all the users included in the CSV file. A result screen will be displayed when the import is completed. Both of these methods of import require you to continuously add new user accounts. Otherwise, Proofpoint Essentials will reject both inbound and outbound email for those user accounts. SMTP Discovery is another supported method for importing users. SMTP Discovery allows organizations to avoid importing users manually and instead will automatically discover and validate user accounts using your organization's email traffic. Proofpoint will connect to your organization's email server to validate the user account. If accepted, the email will be delivered and the user will be added into a temporary state known as Discovered User. Based on your SMTP Discovery configuration, discovered user accounts will either be added to your user list or removed if no further email is sent to the account. SMTP Discovery is a feature that must first be enabled. To enable SMTP Discovery, click on Account Management in the primary navigation menu, followed by Features. Select the checkbox next to Enable SMTP Discovery and click Save. Now, click on Account Management in the primary navigation menu, followed by SMTP Discovery. Here, you can configure the settings associated to SMTP Discovery. Once you have made changes, click Save. Once you are flowing mail through Proofpoint Essentials, discovered user accounts will be accessible in the primary navigation menu under User Management, SMTP Discovery. You can monitor discovered accounts and manually create or disable user accounts on an ongoing basis. For organizations using Microsoft Exchange or who host their account with Microsoft 365, Proofpoint Essentials provides tools to import and synchronize with these services automatically. Therefore, these methods are highly recommended for organizations who want to minimize ongoing interaction to maintain user accounts. Configuration steps for Active Directory and Azure Active Directory are covered separately. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.